YouTube. Got the brand new ZX10R on the channel, man. And today's video, I'm gonna do some quick, easy, free modifications, man, just to make the bike look a little bit different. Now, in some states, this may be legal what I'm gonna do, but well, just only two things I think are really illegal, but everything else is pretty much legal. But I'm gonna set the bike to my riding parameters, if you will. So, for instance, like the way the clutch is angled, I'm gonna fix that. The way the brake lever is extended all the way out, I'm gonna bring that in some so it's more comfortable when I grab it with the gloves. There's some noise in the background, please forgive me. This is the only time I can really find to record, and as you guys can, it's rainy. It's a rainy day, so I can't enjoy the city on the new ZX10. So I'm just gonna set the bike up for my riding style. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna take this off as well. And I'm gonna make both of these black, like I did on the ZX10, the 2022 version. I'm gonna do this to both sides. So I'm gonna take those off on both sides of the bike. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. So it looks like that, and where I'm gonna get these from, on the bike itself. I'm not gonna go no further than right here on the exhaust. There's 1, 2, and then there's 3, and then there's 4. I'm gonna take these two off, and I'm gonna transfer it to the front of the bike. So just at least the front of the bike itself, this part is flush and is black, which is what I want to look. It's the look I'm going for. And then if I do that right there, I'm gonna fix both levers. I'm gonna adjust them for my riding position. So I'm gonna start with this 10mm. I'm gonna take off that front nut at the top with this guy, and then I'm gonna use a T30 to take off those bottoms. So this top here is gonna come off with 10mm. Alright, so for this part, all I'm going to do is just change these black ones out. And then this one is going to go to the other side. So basically the look I'm going for is this. So I want the front of the bike to look like this. To me, this looks a lot better than to have this guy on there, as well as that silver one on the bottom. To me, the all black look like this looks great to me. So what I did to this side, I'm gonna do to the other side. And then all I'm really doing is I'm making this back here shine until I get an exhaust system. Yeah, so let me do the other side real quick. This is what the end product looks like. So you got the two silver pieces right here, then you got these two down here. But once I get rid of the exhaust, I'm not gonna need any of this. So that's why I put them in the back and I make the front look clean like that. So now the next thing I'm gonna do to the bike is the brake lever. So for me, whenever I'm riding, the way I have my hands with the gloves on, when I'm riding, I don't like to spread my fingers out so wide. So let's say I'm on the throttle and I let go of the throttle, I don't wanna have to completely let go to stretch my fingers out to grab the brakes and then slow down. So to me, this is too far out. So I'm gonna bring this in. In order to bring it in, what you have to do is open and then turn clockwise. Like that. So now, when I'm riding, I always try to look at my fingers with the gloves off, so I have an idea of how much brake pressure I have before it touches my knuckle. Now, if it touches my knuckle when I'm pulling the brakes in, that'll be worse if I have on gloves. So I went too far in. Let me come back out a little bit so it can be perfect. Right here is perfect. So another thing is when I'm riding, if I'm tucked, I have to reach up to grab the brakes, and I don't like that. I want to be able to have the brakes, the positioning of it somewhat at an angle. So Right now it's horizontal with the ground. I want it to be a little bit down. Jesus, rain is killing the audio. Now the last thing I'm gonna do that I'm gonna take off is these peg guidance bars. I'm gonna take these off. Not because I don't need them, because I'm not leaning. I don't plan to lean the bike over that much when I'm ever riding, and I don't like how they look on the bike, on any bike. So I'm gonna take them off this bike and just keep the OEM stock rear sets and leave it like that. To me, it's a cleaner look. To only me, it's a clean look. If it's your bike, you don't have to do this. I'm just doing it to my bike. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this off really quick. What I do to one side, I do to the other side. I've already adjusted the brakes, and this is what it looks like over the back. To me, that looks a lot nicer than if I was to have it on and it looks like that. Like, I don't like how that looks like that versus how that looks. To me, that looks a lot better than the other side. So this one compared to this one. So I'm gonna take both of these off. Guys, stay tuned to this channel. A lot of the things that I did to the other ZX10, I think I'm gonna do to this one. I do plan on getting the exhaust. I do plan on doing the ECU flash. According to Two Wheel Dyno, man, he told me, or he posted on his YouTube channel, that he can get the same exact horsepower from this motor that he did the other motors, because they're all the same exact motors. So yeah, so I'll have a 7th gen ZX10 doing the same numbers that the 6th gen is doing. But we're waiting on a response back. As soon as he has it posted on his website, I'm gonna send off this ECU to get it flashed and tuned, so that way I can just ride this bike like I did the other one. Yeah, so I want people to think that this bike has 6 horsepower less than the 6th gen, but then I'm right next to him, you know? All right, man, well, that's this video, because this rain is destroying this video audio, and I don't like how it sounds. So I'm gonna cut the video here, and on the next time I see you guys, hopefully it's a sunny day, I can make some better footage. I want to further dig into the bikes and do some adjustments, like the rebound and dampening, the preload up here. I want to show you guys how that look. I want to show you some TFT stuff, the rear shock as well, but can't do it with all this noise in the background. You guys would think that the audio is horrible with the video. So I was looking through the manual to kind of understand some of the things that I might have forgotten over the time. But yeah, man, just stay tuned. I got a lot of things coming to this channel. Cheers.